Wondering if Expressvpn lives up to the hype in 2025? In this video, I'll give you a no-fluff review of what makes it great and what might make you think twice. Let's dive in so you can decide if it's worth your money. Let's get started. Expressvpn is one of the most popular VPNs on the market, and for good reason. First, the pricing starts at $12.95 per month, or you can save more with the 12-month plan at $4.99 per month, which includes 4 free months. Now for the pros, it has fast and reliable servers in over 105 countries, which makes streaming and browsing smooth worldwide. Known for top-tier security, it uses trusted server technology and strong 256-bit AES encryption, works with Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more, even in tough regions like China. Available on all major platforms including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, and even routers. On Trustpilot, ExpressVPN holds a solid 4.1-star rating, showing it's a favorite among longtime users. Now let's talk cons. It's more expensive than most other VPNs, especially for short-term use. Only allows up to 8 simultaneous connections, which might be limiting for families or power users. Lacks some bonus tools like a built-in ad blocker, which competitors like Surfshark offer at lower prices. Bonus tip: use their 30-day money-back guarantee to try it risk-free. It's a great way to test the speed and features before fully committing. And that wraps up this honest review of Expressvpn. Premium performance, but at a premium price. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and honest tech reviews. See you in the next one.